Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix invalid payment method on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you try to add a payment method and after that you see this kind of error, invalid payment method, your payment method was declined, please enter a valid payment method information. So here what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page, you have to make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. So in setting, you have to simply go to general, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to simply click on name or Apple ID, and you have to simply click on media and purchases. And after that, you will find a new kind of interface in which you will find all the payments option where you can simply can manage the payments. So here you have to simply provide the details, then you have to check the payments. So if you want to add the payments, you have to make sure that you have added all the credentials correctly. So after that, you can simply add the payments. And if the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you have to simply contact the Apple store. So in Apple store, you have to simply tell them what is the problem with your payment methods, and after providing the payment details, they will help you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.